Copy, paste, and cha-ching, you've just earned some money. This money-making method can have you rolling in cash when you're done. All it takes is a little copy-paste and you can be on your way to making loads of cash. The best part about this is that you don't need to do any selling or affiliate marketing, so if that isn't your strong suit, do not fret. This method can help you get paid straight to your PayPal account in just a matter of hours. Keep listening to learn how all of it works because I'm going to spill the tea. Before we get into the video, hi, welcome to Money Express, a channel where I share tips and tricks on how you can make money. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Smash the like button down below if you want to see more videos like this one. Now, as I said earlier, all it takes is a little copy-paste and then you can make some money. In this video, I'm going to be sharing more than one platform, so you're definitely going to want to pay very close attention until the very end of this video because some of these platforms pay higher than others, and you don't want to miss out on this amazing opportunity. Alright, so the very first thing that you're going to need to do is open up a browser and go to google.com. Once you're there, you're going to search for the best websites that pay for articles or something along those lines. After that, you're just going to go ahead and open up one of the search results. Out of all the results though, this one, in my opinion, is the best one just because they actually show you how much you can get paid. I'm going to go ahead and use this site, listverse.com. If you take a look at the site, you'll probably notice that they publish articles about a lot of different things. They have different categories that you can check out right here. There are things like gaming, history, etc. You can pretty much write any type of article, submit it to them, and then get paid. Now, you may be a bit worried because you aren't a writer, but do not fret because I have a way that you can be able to submit articles without even needing to write them. This is a way to be able to make money even without any previous online work experience or technical skills. I have a couple of platforms that are going to help you out, so you're going to want to keep listening.
But before I do that, don't forget to hit the like button down below, share this video, and turn on notifications for more videos on how you can earn extra cash.
Alright, so obviously once you're on the site that you're going to be submitting articles to, which in my case is going to be here on Listverse, you're going to want to find out where to be able to sign up as a writer. Usually there's some sort of link on the homepage where if you click on it, they have some information about being a writer with them. And if you are looking for a link, you can either usually find it at the very top of the page or the very bottom, so just keep your eyes peeled for it. Now here on Listverse, you can actually find that link at the very bottom of the page, so I'm going to go ahead and smash that button. Now that I've done that, this is the page that loads. Now there's information about how much they pay you, and as you can see, they're willing to pay you a whopping $100 for every article. That's a lot of money just for a few words, and you can submit a lot of articles in one day and make hundreds of dollars in no time. The best part is that you won't even need to write any of the articles, so you can have articles done and ready to submit in a matter of minutes. You can make thousands of dollars in just one day this way. They even say that you don't need to be an expert just to be able to score some cash this way. You just need to have articles that the English makes sense. Even if you don't write professionally, you can still submit articles with them. If you don't actually want to write the articles yourself though, I've got just the tools for you. One side note, Listverse isn't available all around the world. It only works in specific countries like the US, Australia, the UK, New Zealand, India, and South Africa. So if your country happens to not be on the list, you can actually go ahead and search Google for other platforms where you can submit your articles. There are tons of search results when you search Google, so there should be at least one that will work in your country. Another thing is that to get paid with Listverse, you need to have a PayPal account. They don't pay through any other avenue, so if you don't already have an account, you're going to need to go to paypal.com and create a completely free account. No worries though, because it's super easy to create an account and it only takes a few minutes. Now to sign up with Listverse, all you need to give them is your name or nickname, email address, PayPal email, and then a few other personal details. After that, there should be a box where you're going to put your article, and then once you have everything filled in, you can submit it and then get paid. Really simple, right? Now you may be wondering where we're going to get our article from. There are also a lot of different places that you're going to be able to grab articles from if you don't want to write them yourself. One site that you can check out is articlesfactory.com, and another site that you can check out is articlecity.com. Both of these sites make for great sources because they have articles in basically any category that you can think of. They have articles about things like celebrities, family, education, health, food and drink. The list goes on and on. Most of these articles have been published pretty recently, so you know that they're up to date. You're going to want to search for content that has been released not too long ago and stuff that you think would be popular with a lot of readers. It may take a bit of time to find the best article, but it is worth it because if you don't pick the right one, then you might not get the $100 for your article. So be sure to scan everything that you think would be interesting and pick content that people are going to want to read. Another great site to use to find articles would be Google. Let's say you wanted to write an article that falls under the mystery category. You would just type in mystery articles or stories. Whatever you are searching for, you're bound to find an article here on Google that will work. The upside to using Google is that there are a lot of search results that will pop up that you can choose from different sites, so it kind of widens your search. Since you have a wider search, it gives you a better chance of finding an article that could be a hit with the readers. Now, once you found an article that you're going to want to submit, don't submit just yet because obviously you could be accused of plagiarism and that wouldn't be good. What you're going to need is a site that's going to help you change the words so that you can't be accused of copying and pasting. I have a few sites that will do the trick. The very first platform that might come in handy is spinbot.com. Another platform that you can use is spinrewriter.com, and another one that you can use is going to be cleverspinner.com. Now, these are all great sites to use, but if you're looking for a website that won't charge you anything to be able to use that, then your best friend is going to be Spinbot. Don't be discouraged from the other ones if you want to try them out though, because they do a better job than Spinbot sometimes, and if you sign up for Clever Spinner, they actually give you a free trial. My suggestion though would be to use Spinbot until you start making money, and then once you have a bit of cash to spare and you can invest in Clever Spinner or Spin Rewriter, they'll definitely help you produce better content. Now, if you don't have the money to invest at the get-go and decide to use Spinbot, you're going to want to keep this in mind. Spinbot isn't the best software to be using, and since it is just software, it's going to mess up sometimes. What you're going to want to do is go ahead and paste the article into Spinbot, have it spin the article, and then go through and correct some of the errors. Some of the wording may come out a bit funky, so you can play around with that too. That's also one of the reasons that I'm suggesting that you try out the other two platforms, because it takes the hassle out of everything a bit. If you want to be able to just copy and paste everything once it's done, then it'd be better to invest in accounts on the two sites that charge their users. Anywho, once you've gotten the article, copy and pasted it to be spun, have the spun version, copied and pasted the spun version into Listverse, and submitted it, you can look forward to being paid really soon. This is a great way to score hundreds of dollars in minutes, so get started copying and pasting and you could be on your way to be able to afford your dream vacation in no time. That's all I got for you today, my dudes.
Now, before I go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more simple ways to earn extra income. That's all for today. See you in my next video.